Hello guys, in this lecture we are going to talk about how to break down your data. This lecture is very important because it will let us know where your sales or leads are coming from. For example, you can begin with an age breakdown to see which ages are buying from you more and which ages have the lowest cost per purchase or cost per lead. And then you can check the sex to see, for example, which sex is buying from you more. There are many other options to break down your data. For example, you can see people from which regions are the most interested in your product or your services. You can see the device breakdown. In this way, you can know which devices are performing better. You can also see if people on Instagram are converting better than people on Facebook and many other options. So let's suppose that women between 24 and 35 years old living in Houston and using Android mobiles have the best cost per purchase or cost per lead. You can create another ad set targeting this segment with a high budget. This will most probably get you more results. So let's go to the Facebook ads dashboard and let's see how to break down our data there.